In the last video we have done a fresh install of MX Linux and now we want to use it for MetaTrader. So we have to install a few things. First we want to do an update. You can do that in the terminal or otherwise there is also some graphical interface to do that and that one will come up automatically. But for now I will do it in the terminal. Yes, I want to continue. And that might take a while. I need to install WinBind. I need to install Wine. Now let's try Wine CFG. And we see the little pop-up here. Basically it works. Now let's install Winetricks. And with Winetricks WinHTTP, we can download the Windows 2K Service Pack 4, which also is required. Now let's go to the MetaTrader5 website. We want to download for Linux, which basically will show you a graphical installation description, but no download. But when we click on download for Windows, we will get the exe file here. This one is located in the downloads folder. I like to use Play on Linux. You can find that in the MX package installer and install it here with the recommended packages like I do now, which is a graphical front end for what we did in the terminal. Or you could do it in the terminal with this command, and now it says it's already installed. So let's open the Play on Linux installation here. I pick install, something that is not listed here. Continue, continue. Manual installation. I want to create a new virtual drive. Let's continue. Call the drive MT5. Continue. I want to configure Wine. Click on continue. This is a 64-bit installation. Now it's creating a virtual drive on my virtual server. In the past, I had to replace the version for WinHTTP. Now let's say OK. Pick the installation file for MetaTrader, which is MT5 setup. Continue. And here is the installation wizard. Let's see if it works. This looks good. We see a progress bar. And once this is finished, there will probably be a fresh MetaTrader5 installation that comes up on our new virtual private server with MX Linux. Yes, here we are. Actually, it now comes with a fresh account that has been enabled without doing anything. And in this little video you have learned how to actually install MetaTrader on a Linux PC. I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.